to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson, and if you are new here, please click that subscribe button right now. Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my dressing table. Good guess. So I'm going to show you how I clean it, and as you can see, the material is like wood, so I'm going to show you how you shine it. And to organize your makeup, I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks. Let's get into the video. So firstly, I am putting this dishwashing liquid in the bucket, and I'll mix it with water, and I'm going to use this to clean all the makeup stains that are on my dressing table. And yes, do not forget your cloth. Now I am just removing all the stuff that was on my dressing table so I can start cleaning the dressing table. Next, I'm using this product called Mr. Min, and I'm going to use it to shine my mirrors. Next, I'm using this woodwork reviver called Funny Gloss. It is an oil I use to shine my dressing table. And it smells like strawberry bubblegum. Oh my gosh, y'all, do you see how shiny this thing is looking? Like super shiny, like oh my gosh. Next, I am taking my cloth again, and I'm going to use it to clean and wipe my products, and as I'm doing that, I'll be organizing the products properly on my dressing table. Now I have these 2 chocolate boxes that I recycled, and I keep my combs and my makeup brushes in those chocolate boxes. Now I'm just wiping my mirror. Oh my word, and we are finally finished. And for the finishing touch, I'm taking my sunflower, yes, my sunflower, and I'm putting it just to give it a nice touch to my dressing table. And this is the final look, everyone. Very beautiful, neat, and shiny. I worked hard. Yes, I did. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Yes. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.